Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our channel. It's Taylor. Today I'm going to be doing the Walmart beauty unboxing, I think for winter. Yeah, I never know. Let's go with winter. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram. That's all for the intro. Let's get into the unboxing. So the first thing we have in the box is the My Body Vitamin. This retails full size for $11.69.96. I can't read, for a 60-day supply. This is a guilt-free vitamin, so it looks like a little Snicker bar kind of, so I'm assuming it is a vitamin in like candy shape to make it more fun. I like that. It's cool. Open. Also, they come with different flavors. This one is chocolatey multivitamin. There's this there. And then and then caffeine and vitamins B6 and B12. Next thing we have is the Cantu Avocado Hydrating Repair Leave-In Conditioner. Yeah. This little sachet. The full size of this retails for $5.97 for 12 ounces. This isn't enough to do an eighth of my hair, but okay, Walmart. Next up, we have the Bottle Oil Dry Skin Gel. Comes in this little sachet. For the full size, you get 1.7 ounces and it retails for $5.99. Next up, we have the number 7 Advanced Retinol 1.5 Complex Night Concentrate. It's like this. For the full size, it is 1 ounce and it retails for $34.98. I think not number 7. $40. I don't think so. I mean, it very well might work, but wow. It's so deceiving. It's so tiny. I'm just gonna put that back. I'm moving on. Next up, we have the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Healthy Glow Daily Cream. Why are these names so long? Anyway, in this bottle you get 0.34 ounces. The full size of this, you get 1.7 ounces and it retails for $16.97. And next up we have the Cream Nature with Argan Oil from Morocco. Perfect Edges, 24-hour extra hold with moisture and exotic shine. I thought they said exotic slime. First of all, why is the name so long? This is a full size and it retails for $4.56. It looks like this. I already used a little bit of it. Yeah, if you tried any of their products before, it smells exactly like the rest of their products. It smells good, it's just very overwhelming. If you're sensitive to scent, stay away from this brand, I would say. Because, yeah. So guys, that's all for the unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed. My favorite product was definitely the Cetaphil Moisturizer. If you guys want to sign up for this box, there's a link in the description. And yeah, that's all for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. And bye guys!